Hi, I'm Florida foreclosure defense lawyer Michael Wasylik. I'm here in St. Petersburg at the Pinellas County Courthouse, and today I've got a message for all my real estate professionals who are watching. My realtors, my real estate brokers, my real estate agents. I want to tell you two things. First of all, I know that everyone I've ever met who's in the real estate business, they always have the best interests of their clients at heart. When they have someone that they do a listing for, they always want to do the right thing, maximize value for the homeowner, get the maximum sale return, and really make a good deal happen. Now, the one problem comes in when less experienced realtors are caught up in a case that involves a foreclosure. And what I have seen is that, this is nobody that I know, but I've seen this in courtrooms where a realtor will come into court or give legal advice to a homeowner about their foreclosure, try to tell the homeowner how to handle the foreclosure or whether to handle it at all, or possibly even file papers or talk with the bank and not deal with the court case that's ongoing. Well, unfortunately in Florida, realtors can't do that. That's called unauthorized practice of law. It's dangerous for the realtor, it's dangerous for the homeowner, and so if you are a real estate professional, you have a client who's in foreclosure, you're tempted to try and help because you want to help, and you know that the client may not be able to afford legal advice, so you want to step in and fill that gap. Be careful, because you're harming your client and you're harming yourself because you're violating the law. So just be very careful. I know, again, everybody has the best interest of their clients at heart. They just want to help, but some types of help actually will hurt and are also illegal. The second thing I want to say is that short sales are still very, very common. And one thing I see on short sales, there's two things going on right now. First off is that if, as a realtor, you are not advising your client about whether or not a deficiency is waived in the short sale. In other words, whether the borrower can walk away from the loan if they sell the house, that's potentially a decision that's being made without enough information. In other words, a homeowner can't tell whether or not to do a short sale. It may not benefit them unless they know for sure whether or not they're going to get a deficiency waiver at the end of the deal. Now, you may not know that at the beginning of the deal, but you need to know that before you sign the final paperwork as a homeowner. Am I selling this house and getting something out of it in return, like a deficiency waiver or something else, or am I just getting rid of the house and taking nothing but the debt with me? That's a real problem. The borrower needs to be aware of that. The homeowner needs to be aware of that before entering into a short sale transaction. Now, the other thing about short sales is, with the new federal regulations under that were promulgated by the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau in January of 2014, if there's an active listing for a short sale, if the short sale listing has been approved by the lender, then the foreclosure cannot proceed. So if you are a realtor and you have clients who are in foreclosure and you can get a short sale listing approved for a specific period of time, that will most of the time prevent a short sale from going through, but you have to know how to enforce it. You have to know how that language has teeth. So go ahead, negotiate that short sale listing, make sure you've advised the homeowner whether or not there's going to be a deficiency waiver at the end, or if there's not, how to handle it. But then also, too, make sure that you've got a listing agreement in writing that you can enforce, and know who to turn to if you need to enforce it, because if a foreclosure trial happens during your short sale listing, that in most cases is going to violate the new regulations. Know how to prevent that from happening, know how to get the regs. So if you have questions, if you're a realtor or a real estate professional of any kind, you have questions about the foreclosure process, about what your role is under UPL, what your role is in a short sale, how to prevent that short sale from being sold out from under you, please give us a call. My number is 352-567-3173. That's 352-567-3173. I'm Florida foreclosure lawyer Michael Wasylik. Thanks for watching.